students, so today we are going to conduct the first experiment for class 10 chemistry. The aim of the experiment is to study the properties of dilute HCl and dilute sodium hydroxide solution with pH paper, then zinc metal and sodium bicarbonate. So for this experiment, what do we need? We need the following materials. We need dilute hydrochloric acid solution. We need dilute sodium hydroxide solution. We need some pieces of zinc metal, as I have already shown you. You can see it is shining. And then we need sodium bicarbonate. So, as you know, water acids. Acids are those substances which, when dissolved in water, produces hydronium ion as the only positively charged ion. And water bases. Bases are those substances which, when treated with acid, form salt and water as the only product. And out of the many bases, some are soluble and some are insoluble. So today we are taking a soluble base, that is sodium hydroxide. So it is alkaline in nature. Now we will conduct the experiment. First of all, we will take a small amount of HCl solution in a test tube. You can see this. Now this is pH paper. You can see there are some markings starting from 2 to 14. Now one thing I would like to mention here is that a substance which has pH less than 7, they will be acidic in nature. A substance which has pH equal to 7, they are neutral. And a substance which has pH more than 7, they are basic or alkaline in nature. So first of all, we will test whether this HCl solution is acidic, basic or neutral. So let us take a strip of pH paper. See here, I have taken a strip of pH paper. I'll just see this. Now we will compare the color of this pH paper with the color which is given in this pH chart. See, it matches with this. You can match with this. So we can say that pH of this solution is 2. That is, the pH value is less than 7. So this means dilute HCl is acidic in nature. Now let us conduct the second test. We will take a piece of zinc metal. You can see how shiny and nicely looking it is. So we will put this zinc metal in this HCl solution. You can see this, that there is evolution of a gas. You can see this. Some bubbles are coming out from this. So that means zinc metal is reacting with hydrochloric solution and forming zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. This gas which is evolved, it is actually the hydrogen gas. So that means what? We can say that acids, when treated with a metal like zinc, they will always produce salt and evolve hydrogen gas. We can test this hydrogen gas with the help of a test known as pop sound test. If we bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of the test tube, it will burn with a pop sound. So we have again taken some dilute HCl solution in another test tube, and now we will add sodium bicarbonate to it. See this, what happens when we add. effervescence, you can see this gas which is coming out. It's this effervescence is due to carbon dioxide gas. Brisk effervescence, if we add again a small amount, see this, how briskly it is coming out, this carbon dioxide gas. So that means what? When dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium bicarbonate, what will happen? It will evolve carbon dioxide and form sodium carbonate and water. So these are the three reactions that we have learned with dilute HCl. The first was dilute HCl, you see, became reddish in color with the pH paper. That means it is highly acidic in nature. Next, I have shown you the reaction with zinc metal, and you have seen that how this reaction is still taking place and there is evolution of hydrogen gas. And finally, just now I have shown you there was brisk effervescence due to the evolution of carbon dioxide gas. Now we will focus our concentration on dilute NaOH solution or sodium hydroxide solution. So let's take some sodium hydroxide solution and same again we will do pH paper test. See here, you can see it is violet in color, or we can say deep blue in color. Now we can match this with this pH paper chart. It will be above 10.5 or nearly 13 around this. It is not showing the full pH chart. So that means what? That means this sodium hydroxide solution is basic in nature. So the pH paper test we can find out the chemical nature of this sodium hydroxide solution. Now next experiment, that is how does sodium hydroxide react with zinc metal. Same reaction, we will put a piece of zinc metal in it. We can see here that what the reaction is taking place. So we have seen that there is no reaction. Now we are going to take another test tube and put NaOH solution, and to this we will add sodium bicarbonate. You can see there is no reaction taking place. The salt that we have added to NaOH solution is remaining as it is. So there is no reaction of NaOH solution with sodium bicarbonate. So in today's experiment, we have learned the following properties. That is, first, HCl that is dilute HCl, hydrochloric acid, it is acidic in nature, number one. Number two, it evolves hydrogen gas with zinc metal, and number three, it evolves carbon dioxide gas with sodium bicarbonate. And sodium hydroxide solution, number one, is highly basic in nature, number two, it does not react with zinc metal, and number three, it also does not react with sodium bicarbonate solution. So that is the conclusion of this experiment, but there is some precaution which you ought to take, which we ought to take. First is, we should use minimum amount of solution or salt for better result, and we should always take neat and clean test tube for conducting the experiment. So that's all. Thank you.